Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the eraser tool in Adobe Illustrator, for instance, to remove objects or parts of objects and shapes in your documents. So let us guide you through this. So just let me use that example artboard here with that shape. And what you want to do is navigate to the eraser tool here to the left. You may also use the shortcut Shift E for that. Double click into it and then you may customize, for example, the roundness, the brush size here, to remove larger areas, the angle, and so on and so forth. You may reset these settings to default or confirm by clicking into OK here. And after that, as you can see, the cursor will change its appearance. So you may start removing parts of the given object by drawing into it with your left mouse. Hold your left mouse and as if you were painting like this. And that's how it works. So let me just remove a circle here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.